Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This week I will be doing a plan with me using this Desert Blooms kit from Aria's Daydream. I just love the colors of this kit and I think it's perfect for the beginning of February, and this week is the week before Valentine's Day. And so this was the mini kit and it came with 4 sheets, which I think was actually just enough. I actually didn't end up using every single sticker, and then I'm using these rose colored days headers. And I pulled some Simply Gilded washi as well, and this was from the fall collection. Per usual, I am starting off with the date covers, and I originally put the date cover on without whiting out the dates, but you could kind of see through it. So here I'm going over the dates with my MT white washi tape, and as you see I'm having a little trouble with that, but once I got that on I was able to put down the date covers so that you wouldn't see the dates through it. I think my favorite thing about this kit from Aria's Daydream is the bottom washi. I love the colors that are in it, the purples, the blues. It kind of reminds me of a sunset, and I love that her kit comes with this, I guess, little washi to put on your sidebar. I assume that's where it's supposed to go, or that's where she meant for it to go. It just kind of makes the whole bottom part flow. And here I'm working on my sidebar. I put down a ombre weekly box and then a habit tracker, and I'll come back and finish that later. So before I go into detail about my washi, I misspoke earlier when I said that the mini kit had 4 pages. It actually only has 3. And so although the mini kit does come with headers, I wanted headers that did not have words on them. And so I am using my Simply Gilded 5mm washi to make headers for all the boxes. The first color that I used is the olive color, and then I followed it up with this dusty rose color. And since this process was kind of time consuming to delete, to remove the excess washi, I did a lot of that off camera, as you'll see. This additional washi that I pulled in is also from Simply Gilded. It was a 5mm add-on to one of the sub boxes. I think it was the November sub box, if I am not mistaken. And so here's where I come back with all my washi laid down, and I really love how the colors turned out. Next, I am going in with my full boxes, and as I mentioned, this was a mini kit, so there were not 7 or 8 full boxes that normally come in a mini kit. And so to alleviate, I guess, that issue, I put down some ombre check boxes in place of the full boxes on the days that I know I had a lot to do. And this week I had a few appointments, and so I used some of the quarter boxes and the functional icon stickers to put those down. I normally don't use a lot of the functional icons that come with kits, and so I try not to purchase a lot of the kits that do have those icons, since I find myself never using all of them. And this week was a busy week for me, but not at the same time. I had to help my mom for the majority of the week since she had a surgery scheduled on Monday, and so I know I wouldn't get a lot of my personal things done. And so here I am cutting the checklist from 6 to 3. And after doing this, I realized I should have just used a paper trimmer to cut all the way across the checklist boxes, banners, or I don't know what they're called, instead of cutting each one by one, because as you can see, there is some space and I can't ever cut straight either. And so that kind of bothered me, but you know, planning's not perfect. You just do what you gotta do. And so after putting down that last checklist, someone please tell me what they're called, I decided that that was all I was going to do for this week. And this is my finished product. And I know this was a shorter video, but I think shorter videos are actually pretty great. And I thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and hope to see you soon.